VR Ridgeline uses our best-selling Vapour-Rise technology to balance wind resistance, breathability and moisture management for an ultralight and protective mountain running soft shell. For use in the colder months, it protects against biting winds and damp, misty weather. The outer fabric is a 20 denier Pertex Quantum Air, which is wind resistant yet breathable and finished with a fluorocarbon-free DWR to repel light rain. The positioning of the two different lining fabrics of the jacket have been refined and body mapped to optimize warmth and wicking performance. One of the linings is our motive fabric, positioned on the front body, on the hips and lower back, and over the shoulders and overarms. This fabric uses S-Cafe yarn technology, which increases the yarn surface area, giving the fabric improved moisture absorption, a faster drying time, and anti-odor properties. The second lining is our VR Airflow fabric, positioned on the side body, under the arms, and on the upper back. This has an even more open structure, allowing higher levels of breathability in these areas. It also helps to wick away sweat and has fantastic moisture management. The jacket has a great level of features, whilst remaining lightweight for mountain running. It has a streamlined fit, keeping excess fabric to a minimum, allowing you to push hard on blustery days. It has stretch inserts at the cuff, which are not only comfortable and compatible with gloves, but also allow easy access to a sports watch. The front of the jacket features a lightweight zip, which has a full-length, wind-resistant zip guard behind it. It has a single chest pocket for valuables with a low-profile lockdown slider. And to seal out the elements on exposed runs, there's a stand-up mesh-lined collar and a lightweight, single-sided rear hem adjustment with anti-snag tether.
This is the Storm Racer jacket. It is redefining what could be done in a hard shell, and its unique design allows full integration with the rest of the high endurance kit. It is made from our lightest 3-layer waterproof breathable material and has 100% recycled face fabric. The close-fitting hood locks into place with a single cord adjustment and has a small brim to help keep out the elements. Inside the hood, there is a small pocket that can be used to stuff the jacket for when you're stowing it in your pack. The unique 2-zipper design allows you to fully seal out the elements, as well as being able to access your pack while wearing the shell. Additionally, with the zipper down, allows you to vent while still maintaining some storm protection. A snap at the hem allows for better range of motion when moving uphill, and the zipper on that side fully releases to allow easy removal of the jacket. When running in the alpine, storms can move in fast. The Storm Racer jacket is designed to be worn over the vest to seal out the elements when the weather turns south.
We are all just human beings, just trying to find happiness and find connection. I don't think it's anyone's right to sort of take that away from anyone else. So the most important thing is to just know that before all of these labels and all of these identities, we're just people, and we all want, in a lot of ways, the same thing, which is that happiness and that joy and that connection, and running can be a vehicle for that.
Hi guys, it's Hannah.
And Dan.
And we are out in the beautiful waterfall country in the Brecon Beacons, and we've come out today to talk to you about our stunning Featherlite trail jacket. Now the Featherlite trail jacket is a totally windproof, fast moving layer. It's incredibly versatile, it's really minimalist and packs down really small. It's the perfect layer to chuck on in changeable conditions, but also it's a great piece to stuff into the pocket of a pack when you don't know what the weather's going to do. It's an excellently versatile layer.
Yes, just like Hannah said, it's super breathable.
It's available from 8 to 16 in women's and an extra small to extra large for men.
Now, in this video, we'll be taking you through the fabrics, features and fit of the Featherlite trail jacket, so make sure you stay tuned to find out more before you buy one for yourself. Okay, now firstly into the fabrics. So this entire Featherlite trail jacket is made from our wind barrier dynamic, which is a 20 denier nylon fabric. Now, the advantages of this is that it is superiorly breathable, but it's still so soft and quiet. So whether you're moving fast or working hard in the hills, you're not going to hear it, it's not going to get in the way, but it's going to keep you nice and dry and comfortable for longer.
So that protective jacket is then given a DWR coating, so that's a durable water repellent coating, and that just helps water from rain and snow to bead off the jacket and just keeps you a bit more protected. That doesn't make it waterproof, however, so if you are heading out in horrible conditions, we still recommend taking a shell jacket out in your pack. So this lightweight fabric is quite incredible. It means that the jacket packs down to an amazing 100 grams for women and 110 grams for men, and it packs down to the size of about an apple.
Okay, so now into the features. Now, as you can imagine on the Featherlite trail jacket, they are simple and minimalist. So starting down the front, we have a reverse coil YKK zipper. Now that's backed up by a wind flap behind it, so when it is really windy on those exposed summits or in those valleys, then it's going to stop the wind from creeping in through the zip and just getting that cold spot down the front. We have a chest pocket as well. Now this chest pocket has a zip on either side. This means you can pack the jacket entirely into the pocket, and it just gives you a nice little stuff sack to pack it down in. As we move up, you'll find that there is quite a high collar. Now this is just to help keep that wind off around your neck a little bit more. And there is a micro fleece chin guard just in case it's rubbing against your chin.
So underneath the arms, you have these lovely underarm vents. So these open and close as you move, and that just allows you to dump excess heat when you're working really hard and stop sweat buildup inside the jacket. Moving on to the cuffs, you have these lovely, really low profile cuffs. They've got little thumb loops in them, so you can wear those underneath your gloves and they won't ride up. You also have a little bit of elastication in the cuffs, so that just means that they sit nice and close to your wrists and just stop cold air from blowing up the jacket. So moving down to the draw cord, you have a singular draw cord that goes all the way around the hem. It's got a single adjustment point just on the right hand side, and you can adjust that and loosen it off with one hand. As this is a bit more of a fast moving and run piece, there's a bit of reflective detailing on the jacket as well, just so you can be seen a bit more in the dark.
Okay, so now onto the fit. So as you would imagine, a jacket that is meant for moving fast and light has this close active fit. Now this is so that it can protect you, but it's not too bulky or flappy if you do end up in those really strong weather conditions. Now, as you move down the back, just to offer that extra protection, you'll notice there is a really nice drop hem. Now this covers over your bum and it drops just below the bum, again, just to offer that little bit more protection.
So moving down into the arms, we have these lovely articulated arms and engineered tailoring. So this just achieves that really close ergonomic fit, so you're not restricted. The arms in the Featherlite trail jacket are also a little bit longer, and that's just so you can use those thumb loops without stretching the jacket to capacity. So that's it, guys. That is the beautiful Featherlite trail jacket, a super lightweight, really packable, minimalist wind shell for moving fast and light in the mountains.
That's right, and you remember
It's available from 8 to 16 in women's and an extra small to extra large for men.
and in a range of colours as well. You can shop them now on our website. But that's everything from us, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Victor, and this is the Brooks Run Visible Convertible Jacket. This is your go-to layer for a cold run in the dark, especially when the weather is unpredictable, because you can easily stow the jacket as a wearable vest on the go. High visibility features like fluorescence and reflectivity help drivers see and recognize you as a runner from 600 feet away. Plus, our convertible jacket is weather resistant. I love the hood, which we designed to keep rain off your face. And you've got zippered hand pockets to keep your stuff safe. We also built the Run Visible Convertible Jacket for convenience. Snaps let you unzip for ventilation and keep the jacket in place as you move. The hood can be stowed if you don't need it, and you can convert the jacket into a vest mid-run when the weather lets up. Don't worry, it stays high visibility no matter what. We think you'll love our Run Visible Convertible Jacket because thousands of runners already do. So work out in the gear for 90 days. And if you don't love it, return it free. That's our Run Happy promise.